Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Snapchat shortcut. The first thing you will need to do is open Snapchat. Once in the app, you'll simply tap on the circle to record a snap. After doing that, you're going to tap on Send To in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to tap right where you see Send To, that's the search bar at the top of the screen. You're going to tap on that. And once you have selected the search bar, you will see the option Create Shortcut right below the search bar in the left hand corner. We are going to tap on that. Then you'll see Use Shortcuts to quickly select friends and groups. Choose a single emoji for each shortcut. You'll simply tap on OK. And from here you can select the friend that you would like to use the shortcut for. Then tap on Choose Emoji at the top of the screen. And from here you can choose the emoji that you would like to use. Then you'll tap on Create Shortcut. And that's it. You can see the shortcut in the top left hand corner now. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.